Unpopular opinion from a dermatologist, hindi ako fan ng acne patches. Yes, acne patches can help some people, especially if hindi mo mapigilan na kalikutin yung acne mo. Kasi less picking is equals to less scarring. But here's the problem, yung skin natin na may acne, meron siyang bacteria, tinatawag ito na Cutibacterium acnes. And yung acne patches, guys, they are actually hydrocolloid. Ibig sabihin, they get the water from your acne lesions, from your skin, and nire-retain niya ito. And if matagal na nakadikit yung acne patches sa skin, so you have the moisture, you have the occlusive effect, and you have the bacteria, then that increases your chances of infection. And I have personally encountered patients na nag-worsen yung inflammation, nag-worsen yung acne nila nung gumamit sila ng mga acne patches. And even more, nagkaroon yung iba ng cellulitis kung saan kumalat sa deeper and wider area ng kanilang balat ang infection. Lalo na guys, kung cystic or sobrang malalaki and deep-seated, ibig sabihin parang malalim po yung acne ninyo, ang acne patches po ay hindi main treatment sa ganitong klaseng mga acne. And walang assurance guys na pag gumagamit ka ng acne patches ay maiiwasan yung pag-develop ng mga infections and cellulitis. Kaya ako guys, hindi talaga ako fan ng acne patches. And in fact guys, now patients who are doing their regular anti-acne treatment compared to patients na may acne patches and acne treatment, wala pong pagkakaiba in terms of results. So, wala pang study na nagpapakita na mas superior yung improvement ng kanilang acne kapag gumagamit ka ng acne patches. So, main treatment pa rin natin is our topical and oral medications. So, remember guys, acne patches are just tools. Hindi talaga sila first line treatment for acne. And if you find yourself needing acne patches more and more regularly every day, baka kailangan na po talaga natin na properly ma-diagnose yung type ng acne natin para mabigyan po ito ng proper treatment and para makontrol natin ito and eventually hindi na mangailangan ng mga acne patches. So if may tanong kayo about acne, you can comment below or you can send me a message. For more skin tips from a board certified dermatologist, follow me and basta acne DMD. Bye-bye!